Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add the Yes token in Trust Wallet. In order to add this token to your Trust Wallet, open up your browser. Make sure you're logged on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. Once here, simply scroll till you find its contract address, which exists on the Binance Smart Chain. Once there, copy its contract address and minimize. After minimizing, open up your Trust Wallet. Make sure it's been set up properly, and using the icon at the top, click on the search and then type in yes. Once you've typed in yes, simply click on Yes World. And once you've selected the token, make sure its price matches with coinmarketcap.com's price, and this is the Yes token. Now, if you don't find it via the search, you could use the icon at the top right. Click on this icon. Where we have the plus, click on plus, and where it says import crypto under the token section, in place of the network, which is Ethereum, click on Ethereum, scroll through and select BNB, paste the contract address for Yes World. You'd find the Yes symbol and its decimal, and then simply click on import. And boom, you successfully added this token to your wallet. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.